In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix websites not opening in iPhone for Safari. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, there's a few different things that we could go ahead and do, regardless of whichever iPhone you have. The first thing is going over to settings, going over to the very top where it has your name, and then once you're on iCloud, which is going to be the fifth option, you want to look for a private relay option. So it's going to be an iCloud Plus features. If your private relay is enabled, you want to go ahead and toggle this off and then try reloading your page on Safari. Also, sometimes it could just be like some corrupted website data. So what we're going to do is we're going to swipe out, go back to settings, scroll all the way down to apps, then just type in Safari like so. Go ahead and click on it, scroll all the way down, and then you're going to see clear history and website data as one of the options. Go ahead and click on that, switch to all history. You don't have to close your tabs if you don't want to. You should basically clear all history, which is going to clear your cache as well. And also, if you have any VPN enabled, go ahead and disable that, and then you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.